inspire me to continue to do whatever I'm doing. This indicates that you appreciate every effort that I'm making to speak to the voice. That's true. Yes. So I would say that we should all stay calm. Nobody should worry. Because anybody who decides to speak the truth and fight for the voiceless will go through all these ordeals.
PDS, at the end, I feel say a Japan and say,
now, forward now, I buy another person Ghana for Sato Abadima woman.
So many. Man come in because my sister who are my party now the phone one but there now I'm a catch a gun for them. I'm on 2 months because I never papa. Nyanya me acquire no show share me about you. Who do you book? Ghana for a group of year born some person of the party or deep concluding enough.
Prominent association amongst all the professional bodies in Ghana, and you have been strong advocates for the rule.
Abusua Konkonku TV sunie enye papa na boboba eba nso de ayeso ye de beba na ye de apremo no anya bi etie anya bi ahwe bo modna se obe subscribe obe share wa like no comment na sabre yi ne ye mobobo nsem a ye de bremo so na unya kwan entie bi na unhwe bi na owura Richard Amwakoba oye MPP ni mapaka ne no okira de ewo omaiga na suapokase ba akum Kwame Nkrumah de wa Asantemam eno yi nanim eye MPP ni na nko opeche my position kura na amfa wo mo de kwa gengam so a sabre nim kofodua sabre na ayi dombo adumo apri a won na neti ekokoye yie wo mo de konya secretary na binim so be ye chairman so hunu sabre na papa no so namu a opri bia amfa ama no so won de soso fo ama hinka nwie sa asebia ye soso so makufu adotina konwa no so ye de wo pe e wo so a nei ato afom ho a ye ka adu asafo anu atomuo no omunya kura no mpene baby mfa kura no no se kwapem se party ni opposition wono a woka no kura woka afutu sem papa no yemfre no yenka no po omunim de ya yebetu fo am yeti afa bia to ekotodwem na ye de abo amaneko no bra no yenka wo muni afro papa ya prince bebre so woni enuanom Kasban TV fo Mr Speaker ena edi enkomoi na mampani mama ena sabre wone Ghana Bar Association fo ahia a wosre ese wo ne attorney general enye kwalabo sene ebe ya yebetumi apɛ court bia yebetumi ede omo ye pre ne kankan niema ewo aban mu no edom bekwa akogina ho natumi aboa ebio Ahmed Hussein so lewo no nso yenye ne ntentem na yentumi enhwe asem no mu krogen wasanso de atudwa se wono de na ban wamfa ora amaso de babe hunahuna wo bia na mum ode ba so ode ba beboa pre ne kankan asituo na obia nso wonim die bi ode beboa na ban bia no onye kai nipa obetumi do adwempo no aba odumanyafo Kennedy Akompre kwa Japan ni anase kwa gengam so ewo abridgement mu no sese de ose bibia ye beta wasanso aba Ghana na one MPP fo ma wo mkohia ne je na wa tuba mbaba kuremu no ehon nsem na afeso galam sensem ka ho ne amandosem nkaye bi na sabre ye jagum ewo Konkonku TV so wadama bo modena don boye tie na hwe subscribe na share na ofofro nso nsa enkabi yenkwabu eni akonhoma
This opportunity to thank all of you for the wonderful welcome you've given to me and my wife. I thank you very much. This will inspire me to continue to do whatever I'm doing. This indicates that you appreciate every effort that I'm making to speak to the voice. That's true. Yes. So I would say that we should all stay calm. Nobody should worry. Because anybody who decides to speak the truth and fight for the voiceless will go through all these ordeals. And with this, through this ordeal, I become a better person. Become a better person to fight and defend the country and the voiceless. Thank you to all of you. And in due course, you will hear from me. Thank you very much.
PDS, at the end, I feel say a Japan and say,
na forward na I buy another person Ghana for Sato Abadima woman.
So many. Man come in because my sister who are my party now the phone one but there now I'm a catch a gun for them. I'm on 2 months because I never papa. Nyanya me acquire no show share me about you. Who do you book? Ghana for a dribble bon some person was the party or dick or groaning enough. Bon some more. That's of your back some. That's of your back and some. Tears walker. How many of them belong to me party no? Bisa. Bisa no one kind. Move your mumbo. Yeah, before a woman. Most of them. No, most of them. Now, my bon some phone person but a bit the animal. And I'm in Ukraine, the woman. No Ukraine, who more pro, Mumwa, Munianum, that I'm going to say, Munqua, Lucoshism, and someone near Kako. Now, what to her, a just has been raped.
No, so na me be na e kan yankomonti a me fo na no fi adase na nkese so obaha na obetina studio ha na ye toto na no na ye di nkomo na ye hu de e ko ye ene de anko ye e ko wiase ya no patutu na party mpanyfo tutu ka wo mo sanso de convoy akwako ru adwo asafo fie eye wo mo mani mpie mbari interview no because wakasa kakra eye Nanko Bia Susa Joasafun and Kaya recalcitrant. I mean, they made it clearly to the entire nation say Joasafun as Wabeya Pomposa BB Air Qua Peso Hodi are binding to a standstill. And they was as a Kasa as a differences be Brenano Efrasieba, but Putu party in Peso Bekasebi. Nekra de ye tete the cranes and the papa crash on pe ode one kasebi one kana no ntum se and na majuasa so na mobeka se party na bodia any o mane bane kasebi. Is that the way to go in the rebuilding process am share anyway?
The sisters are some sort of thing. And this is banasa. Ya de kasade no kre and the CC party. Kasade and no kre. Ya patapa. E de obeko commission o de no call this man for ya no be o beku no ya de be answer US party o so open nipa na person yi obi afim yeah but ya obo hu ba na sa so enti ya sa ne ye no kasade ajo amesro measurement kon na bebe fie ne pedifo ne bebe fie ne akita ne ho te de bi sa ne ya ka sam e won po muntimi ya de na metima da ne pande won po na muntimi oh, I didn't say money. Casade and no crash. They can't say money. It is how we are mediation. So we are good mediator. So we can't be a summer. Which we can't and any person not can come. Oh, my son, Papa, no come at me. When you're casa and let us some more you. What can I say, Mandia? Let's say, what can I say? Obitimasia, young come and say, what you must say, Bobion. The ones they call this now this plan commission the committee so strange, so powerful, so strong. Nobody answer you if you party. You know everywhere. About who numbers in the
until say Adjoa Safosha says a worker say, I mean, what thought did you have about her?
Oh, being so much, he's almost sitting you. Yeah, people and say, so a woman now run here. A more call post. I just have one year and a couple Michael Quay Baton challenging. Yes, I understand. A then on a post I could see thing. And that girl's or more women or more challenge almost. And the uniform just on the nearest to Mrs. The BCB a big uniform. I just see a send of a patron. Yeah, yes, oh, and they. Kiss me. And your papa. Meka minye ya rehosam sanity.
Yeah, what would be who say I reward to Mitchell?
Oh, I am ya pa. Said you see you who you on the 2016 said you near CG na na do di. Oh. Yeah, so one can say and say be. Me dan you three constituencies. Kontomra ya winning. I said north ya winning. Tepa ya winning. Me say you na me am ko ya juma ho ya winning. My name, my family, my work as simple for you could go 20. If you have, when we are bonny and you near that was enough. So, yet now, the 3 days every business on here, and Sunday, and your commitment here, yan some kakeko, party campaign, and yan some kakeke. People want to see so we are committed. Yeah, but they pretend any panam so. Crash one because I quite a year short and the long quite normal win 16 months. But baby I have built a page in Alpha 3 1 empathy hold. Woman in a school for in our home. Oko a hospital brequa on and so young Gawansam. The commitment.
Commitment.
But it's your missile. A Korea bridges in the baby. Our contomra, a stronghold of NPP. And yeah, no, I'm catching today. My mum Kobo who they will say, yeah, bridge, you know. Your mom 100 so much. It will make my MPP. That kind of more MPP than that. We know what's on almost there's some pay. Yes, some pay or can't come and some pay. That's the same actually. So, and I am winning because if I am who were born who do that, then NDC folk of Chelsea cow, I say, so the Mobianca. Now, most of one. More before MP no want it. Yeah, before almost to Muta or lose a contoma, a lose tepa, a lose a friend, Athenos. Yes, I know go. Monkai say, Munia. Now that's a monster Monquan here, Monkai.
Over na where the na mesrebisa mobile opposition yimpanyfo bi aba na so se woman no bekasa baby amodri muhia dom na muhia se ba koye betimi aba na afi motimi akekere mu party no woman no wa bekasa nkomodi afrasi a ekoso ana
but obi am friend that
even in opposition ye
yes obi am friend that
and as a party one cause omo you from that down
Talent here, why you want to say Montina me can no correct. No correct, can't tell you. No correct stands on its own. So be can some night in the crowd. I want to make us all, I can't some against you, or can't cry against you. It makes no sense. So that's it. The Nipa can say no credit, and that's here. And then I won't see. I found whom you answer Kaka. And so, son, a pattern I could own some of them. And I said, "Who could be some qua? She got some. Oh, it's a I think a
I see.
Yes, you are my muha. Yeah, anyway, you. But who did it? A cra.
Prominent association amongst all the professional bodies in Ghana, and you have been strong advocates for the rule of law, for respect for human rights, for respect for the Constitution, freedoms, and all that. And I believe that that role you play is important for our society to progress. And so, as I've told civil society organizations and all of them, I mean, they must have the freedom to point out when things are not going the way they should. Because in our local parlance, we say the one who cuts the path does not know when it's going crooked. It's those who are standing and watching who can see that it's going crooked. So we'll appreciate, whatever feedback you give. And I believe that that's how government should be. Government should be tolerant to varied opinion because it helps you go stronger. It helps you do much better, particularly on our side of the political divide. There's this perception that we have a problem with the legal fraternity and things like that. I think that if you look at the kind of people, Marietta and all of us sitting here, we're not people who have any such animosity towards the judiciary and the legal fraternity. So our doors are open, our hands are open, and if you think that there's anything that you should bring to our attention, don't hesitate at all.